What's the meaning of consulate? Consulate. Consulate.
Consulate. Consulate. Consulate refers to the building or office of a consul, which is a government official who represents their country's interests in a foreign city. The consulate provides various services such as issuing visas, passports and other travel documents, assisting citizens in distress, promoting trade and cultural relations, and supporting diplomatic ties. Consulates play an important role in maintaining good relations between countries and safeguarding the interests of their citizens abroad. They also serve as a point of contact for foreign nationals visiting or doing business in the host country.